Let's get into a demo of the indicator bundle. I think it's a great idea. So here's what's going on. Everybody likes to trade in a very different way. We've got day traders, we've got swing traders, we've got long-term people. In other words, you've got people that want to make a whole bunch of trades, in and out of trades nonstop. Then you got people that want to make maybe a handful of trades per week. Then you got people that want to make a handful of trades per month. Then you got people who want to make a handful of trades per year. I like to help everybody. So we have 6 indicators. When you sign up, you're going to get 6 indicators. Some of them are best for people who want to make a whole bunch of trades really, really quick, like day traders. Some of the indicators are focused and set up and custom coded for people who want to make a handful of really good trades per week. Other indicators are set up and custom coded and tailor-made for people who want to make a handful of trades per month. And then there's people like me who want to look at the market long term and they want to make a handful of big boy trades per year, right? So each indicator is custom coded and tailored to this. So when you sign up, you're going to get notes and you're going to get videos that are simple and I'll walk you through step by step. They say the same thing, but some people like to read it. You know, they're a little bit old school. They want to read it. Hey, some people want to watch the video. Both are cool. So we provided both to you. Really simple, really clean, really easy to follow, or you could do both. It's up to you, but you're going to read through it or watch it and it's going to become abundantly clear. Like, okay, I'm this kind of trader. I need to focus on this indicator and maybe this other indicator. It's not complex like, oh, put these 19 indicators on and you have to study all the colors and charts. It's not like that. We make it really, really simple and really, really easy, right? So another thing we did is with the indicators, we just went through and updated all the indicators and made them super fresh and made them really up to date, and then put a whole bunch of back testing strategies in there. What does that mean? It means that we literally used our algorithm and found the absolute best settings and the best time frames for a certain particular trader. Let's say you want to make a handful of trades per month. We went in and we found the best time frame and the best setting and the best indicator and custom coded all of it for you. And if you bought the indicator last year or the year before or the year before that, you got all these updates completely free. You just pay one time. I know I'm supposed to charge extra every time and that's how everybody does it. I don't believe in that. I think that's dirty and I don't think that's very honest. So that's not how we roll. We gave it all for free to everybody who signed up previously. And we just gave 2 brand new indicators hot off the press completely free for everybody who signed up before. We're not supposed to do that, but that's how we roll.
I had major problems with my investments.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
Do you want to recover those bad losses? Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone? The key is right here in front of you.
And now with Steve's plan, I'm actually up 32,000.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. It is amazing. It'll change your life. It changed mine.
Another thing is I've seen questions like, hey, can I use your indicator bundle on a phone or do I have to have a computer? What's the deal? Either. You can do it all on your phone or on the computer. Another thing is like you need Tradingview, and you can use Tradingview on a free Tradingview account. You don't have to pay for it. You can pay for it if you want it to do more things. You don't need to, right? So when you sign up, you're going to get these indicators and you're going to get the notes and you're going to get the videos and you're just going to set them up on the charts, right? So you're just going to set up the indicator. Like this is one of the most popular ones, especially for folks that want to day trade, that want to swing trade. This one is really popular, right? We have it on the weekly, so it's not a great representation, but I'm just giving you an idea of what it looks like, right? We have different indicators like this, and then we have this one, and then we have different indicators that are focused on different things and they look completely different, right? One thing about indicators is they're really complicated, right? What I wanted to eliminate is you don't need to study all these colors and study what they mean and study what happens when we go past the median line and study what happens when the red to the green and what happens when we have the short red, and you don't need to have all of this stress. What you have to do is put the indicator on the chart, press a couple buttons and put in the settings that follow by your notes or videos, and then sit back and relax. And the alerts will literally just be sent to your phone. It's a couple mouse clicks and that's it. You don't have to study and, oh my God, what is this color? And then it switches to this, and then the median line, and then what's the strategy? And then it bounces to red and then green. You don't need to know anything. Nor do you need to be checking the charts all day and all night, wondering, oh my God, did I miss this? And did this change? You just put the indicator on, you set it and forget it. It eliminates all the guesswork. It makes your life way more simple. You don't need to have all this stress. You don't need to be studying the charts nonstop. That's what I wanted to create, right? Whether you want to be a day trader, a swing trader, or long term, you set it and forget it, right? So this one is a pretty cool one. I love this one. A lot of people love this one. You've seen me use this from time to time in videos. You've seen me use this from time to time in videos. And in videos, I'll quite literally say, like, this is a custom coded indicator. You can't find it online and you're not going to be able to get it. But again, you can buy a one-time payment and unlock these for life. So they look at the market from very, very different angles. And that's what we are going for with the indicator bundle. So it's as simple as that. I mean, we tried to take away all the complexity, all the guesswork, so you can just sit back and relax and get alerts that are actually the kind of alerts that you want, right? If you want to trade a couple times a year, we got you. If you want to trade a couple times a day, we got you. If you want to trade a couple times a week, we got you, right? That's what the indicator bundle does. So that is a demo, simple, easy, and clean. Oh, and also, if there are any questions at all, you email me, info@cryptocrewuniversity.com, and every single student, we will help. That's what we believe in. We're here to change lives. I believe everybody deserves to be successful. I don't care how much money or how little money you make. I don't care which country you're from or what language you speak. Everybody deserves to be successful. There's an abundance of money in the world, and this is a tool that I wanted to create that could actually help change lives, and you don't need to know anything really about the charts or to stress out about them all day and all night. All that is gone. So that's the indicator bundle in a nutshell, but time is running out. Sign up at cryptocrewuniversity.com. I want to help change your life next. This is your opportunity to really turn the corner. You know your results have not been good. You know that. I know that, and you know that. It's time for you to really buckle down and admit to yourself, okay, my results have not been good. I want to change that. This is a small investment that'll pay for itself over and over and over and over and over again as the cycles continue. This will be one of the best investments you have ever made. I'll see you on the inside. Earlier in the video, I mentioned I have something very important to share with you. I just wanted to say thank you for your support. Now, if you're somebody who's relatively new to my channel, I can see and understand your perspective where it's like, oh my God, Steve is suddenly trying to sell things in his videos. What the hell is going on? But let me lay down some facts so you understand the whole picture. I have 4 sales per year. Just 4. That's it. What we do is we do not take paid ads. Literally, I've turned down millions of dollars. All these companies are so dirty and they just want me to lie to you so that I can make more money and they can make even more by taking advantage of you. So this is my 8th year on YouTube. I've never taken even 1 penny. How many humans do you know in your personal life that are crazy enough to turn down millions of dollars to stand up for what they believe in that happens to be very different than what everyone else believes in? I believe in helping people and helping change lives. That's why I'm put here. So for me, the indicator bundle is really important. It represents people changing their lives. And I would be doing an injustice if I didn't promote it. There's 52 weeks in a year. Each sale is 1 week. In other words, 48 weeks of the year, I don't promote anything. And only 4 weeks out of the year, I promote something that actually helps people change their life. It's something that I built with my 2 hands based on my 20 years experience that helps people make way more money. I just want to state the facts here. Now, this is the cool part. This is how I set up the indicator bundle. What I decided to do is, in my mind, I'm like, okay, Let me create the worst case scenario. Let's say somebody signs up to the indicator bundle and they don't think it's good, which would be probably unheard of. Let's go with the scenario that that's the worst case. Somebody will think it's worth 0. I wanted to make a win-win situation, which means for that person that somehow signs up, they think it's worth 0. How can I still make it worthwhile to them? I can't make it any easier. That's how I wanted to set it up, as an offer you can't refuse. If you know my track record and you know who I am, you know this is the kind of deal that I make. You know that we also just updated all of the indicator bundle and made everything remarkably better. And everyone that signed up to the indicator bundle years ago, I'm supposed to charge them again. We added way more value and 2 new indicators. I didn't charge anybody. I don't believe in that. I don't think that's right to do. Everyone else in the world would have. I don't roll like that. I want you to finally wake up. You know your results are not good. You've been trying a whole bunch of different things and they're not working. The indicator bundle is the thing that you have finally been looking for. It's right here in front of you. I put so much of my time, energy, blood, sweat, and tears to make it the best. And you'll see. But the clock is ticking. Go sign up now. I'll see you on the inside, and you'll see. I'll see you on the inside.